Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be doing another instrument unboxing, and this is for a steel tongue or pan drum. And this is a 12 inches steel or pan drum. And let's see what's inside. So these are all the accessories for the pan drum. Let's open it up. So this is how it looks like. It measures 12 inches, and this is in the key of C, the tongue drum songbook. So let me quickly show you what's inside. There's some songs here. What we have here is the
two drumsticks.
It's like a drumsticks with a rubber on top. Here, hold it.
Yeah.
And let's see here. There's some songs here that are like number based. So if you know how to read notes, then you can that could be useful. And then we have his stickers here for the golden stickers for the tongue drum. And here we have some hand picks. I think these are hand. I think this is a stand, and there's some hand picks. So let's open the box. This is pretty heavy. Oh, cool.
Whoa, I love the color.
So I picked the teal color because that's our favorite color.
Wait, there was color?
And this is like a key of C. Let's
Maybe we should flip it over.
flip it over. And so not yet. Oh, okay. So actually, it came with an extra sticker. So like if you lost the sticker, you got an extra sticker. So let's see. Wait, let's try it out first.
Try, Mom.
Yeah, isn't it fun? Okay, let's try it.
Try that.
Yeah,
It's
that's so
yours,
cute.
and it's your favorite
Look at
color.
the side. It's made of like rattan on the side, and then there's like a. It's very nice.
Oh, what else? Why is it?
It's
have
very
numbers?
decorative.
Can I try, please?
It's, yeah, you can
You
use
use
your.
your hands
Can I
too.
try? Have one pizza. Can I try?
Let's see, do re mi. Let's see. Let's start from 1. So 1, 2. Okay, let's open the book and let's try a song.
Ooh, yeah. Where's
There's the
the
book
book?
over there. You just have to. It's very easy for kids to follow. So if you're trying to introduce your kids to music, this is a good way to go. Let's try to do something cool. Let's see. There's some so you can use those finger picks, and there is the notes.
Hands.
We're just gonna try something easy. Okay, there you go. Amazing Grace. Hold it, Numi. Hold the thing. I'll try the Amazing Grace. Hold it. 1, 4. So there you go. Down G. So it's you down up. So 6. Where's the 6?
6, 6, 5, 4, 2.
2. That's the higher C.
Stop it.
Okay, so a lower C.
Huh? I don't know what that is.
5, 4. How sweet. How you got it. How sweet. Okay, so these are the lower actually, and then this one is the higher notes, the smaller ones. Okay, let's try Away in a Manger 2, 2. That's higher. Away in a manger, no crib for a bed.
And it looks like it has a sturdy case with it.
So yeah, it's a lot of fun, especially for the kids. You want to try it, Abe?
I don't want to try.
Want to try it with me?
Yeah.
You need to make your hands clean, Abe, before you can use it.